to start the morning by showing you guys what I put in our life jacket. So we went with the Outbounds. I actually really like them. I like the way they fit. And if you're buying them off Amazon and stuff like that, do your research on them. Make sure all of them are approval, ULC, all that other stuff. Because there are a lot of life jackets I've noticed that are on there that don't have an approval. So this is what we carry in our life jackets. On this side, we've got our headlamp. We've got our health card, our hunting and fishing licenses with the summary printed out on it in a Ziploc. On the other side, MUSKOL. And in this Ziploc, we've got a lighter, a Bic, just a little tiny ferro rod wrapped it with some paracord. Mickwick, fire starter. We've also got that in.
Thank you, Cool Quest.
Thank you, Cool Quest and Mickwick. Thank you very much. So that is what we carry, and along with that, we both also have a nice strap to our side. So God forbid if anything does happen, we've got everything that we need when we get to shore.